friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the LED notification light which is present in the Poco X3 smartphone. So finally, in the Poco X3, we got the LED notification light on the top ear. So right now, I'll be connecting the charger to the phone and I'll be point out exactly what location it is present, and let's see in every direction is it visible or not. Because in the past experience, I did face this kind of problem where the LED notification light was hidden inside this kind of earpiece, and if you just tilt your mobile phone slightly, you won't be able to notice the LED notification light itself. So let's see, is that the same case in the Poco X3 or not? So if you want to know how to enable this kind of real-time FPS count meter in the Poco X3 smartphone or any other Poco series mobile phone, so try to check the links in description, which place separate link for that how to do this kind of trick here. And let me show you what are the settings you do get with the LED notification light. In the LED notification light, you do only get this kind of two options which are available. So light up when charging and blink light for the notification. So right now let me try to take out my charger and connect to the mobile phone. So let's see is it visible in this kind of studio lighting effect or not. So try to watch on the top of the earpiece, as you can see here. Let me try to connect the charger. I connected the charger. As you can see, the LED notification light is visible clearly even in the studio lights, so without any issues you can spot it on there. So let me try to tilt the mobile phone slightly. As you can see, it's slightly disappearing from the view. So for example, if you place the mobile phone here and if you are seeing in the in certain angle, only it will be visible, like starting from straight, that's it. So if you're watching from any other side angles, you won't be able to notice that you got even any notification light in this mobile phone. So this is one of the drawback of having the LED notification light inside the earpiece. So if you notice, it's inside middle of the earpiece grills, as you can see. So normally I wish the LED notification light should be side or somewhere on the panel, I wish, but they included the LED notification light in the middle of the earpiece. But it's good that at least they are included. We have seen so many phones from the Realme that they did not even include any LED notification light in any of their models. So at least the Poco, they are trying to do their best to include. But it would have been much better if they include this kind of LED notification light somewhere side, and having the multicolor functionality also, that is another extra bonus would be their option. But overall, this is a quick review on the LED notification light in the Poco X3 smartphone. So definitely, if the studio lighting effect is a little bit low, and you will be able to see it properly and clearly, as you can see here. So but if you won't be able to see from the sideways, as I said. As you can see, it won't be detected at all. So let me try to tilt slowly the phone. So now you will be able to see the LED notification light, as you can see, only from certain angle. So this is a problem. So that's it, friends. Overall, at least there is a LED notification light present in the Poco X3 smartphone. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.